Hey everybody! Today's video I'm going to be showing you what I have been wearing for my makeup so far for this summer. I'm basically just going to be calling it my everyday makeup look. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first thing I like to do is go in with a BB cream or CC cream or some sort of tinted moisturizer. The one I usually use is the Physician Formula Super CC cream and a damp beauty blender. Just add some onto the sponge like that, and then I will just dot it on my face and blend it out. Concealer, I like to go in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind and again the damp beauty blender, and I just like to put that underneath my eyes to brighten them up. If I have any spots I will also use this, but I tend to do the BB cream on top again just because it is a little bit lighter than my skin. I tend to get a pretty oily T-zone, so what I like to do is go in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the color Transparent and a big fluffy brush. Don't mind how dirty it is, I do need to wash my brushes after this video. So I just like to focus it on my T-zone where I tend to get oily, and I also put it on my eyelids to basically just act as my eyeshadow. Or the base of my eyeshadow, I should say. On a typical basis, I don't really like to contour, but I do like to bronze my face. I go in with Bahama Mama by the Balm and this big brush here. As you can see, it is on the skinny side and it's tapered. So again, don't mind how dirty it is. I definitely need to wash my brushes. So I just like to go in and put it right on the areas where the sun would naturally bronze your face. So on the cheekbone area or the tops of the cheek area. That. I like to put a little bit on my forehead around my hairline and on my jaw just to slim that a little bit. I also like to blend it onto my neck and my chest just so everything matches. I do like my cheeks to have a little color to them, almost like they are sun-kissed or even slightly sunburnt, so I do like to go in with a hot pink blush. The one I like to use is by Milani and it's called Delizioso Pink, and I go in with that same brush that I use for my bronzer. I just like to put on the apples of my cheeks and blend back. Take that same powder brush and blend it together just so it's not too harsh. For my eyes, I don't really like to do a whole lot with shadows, so I just go in with my bronzer and blush that I used and this fluffy brush just in my crease and just layer them just to add a little bit of depth to my eyes. For my eyebrows, I do like a more natural look, so what I like to do is go in with the red Aspen Averie's brow pencil in the colors light and medium. I like to use the light in the very front of my brow and then feather it into being a little bit darker just to give it more of a natural look. Then I like to take the spoolie and clean up the edges a little just so they don't look so harsh. So I just like to brush up in the front and then gently do the tail end. For my bottom lashes, I'm going to be applying the Maybelline Pumped Up Mascara. If I were to be wearing mascara on my top lashes, I would just completely not do eyeliner, but I am going to be applying falsies today. I'm going to be using the Red Aspen Asha's Ink Liner. This is water resistant and smudge proof. And then I'm going to be applying a pair of lashes by Red Aspen as well. I'm going to be doing a whole video on that, so I'm not going to be doing that on camera, so I will be right back. Now that my liner and lashes are on, I'm going to be going into the last thing, which is lips. And today I'm going to be using the Supergoop Perk Up Lip and Cheek Treat. It is SPF 40. It's basically a tinted lip balm. So that is what it looks like there. I'm just going to be applying that to my lips. I tend to be a chapstick girl, or I tend to go for lip balms, sometimes stains. I tend not to be a lipstick girl. So that is all I'm going to be doing for my lips. So this is the finished makeup look that I have been wearing for this summer so far. I like that it is minimal products and the products I'm using do have multi-purpose uses. I think that is a lot better than having a ton of products that you are using, and it makes it go by a lot quicker as well. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I do hope you stick around and subscribe. And if you have any video requests, go ahead and leave those in the comment section below, and I will be happy to check those out. I hope you all have an awesome day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, everybody.